Look, look at her own. She's doing. Lima. That's a meerkat. So cute. Now what do you meerkat do? The meerkat is
fighting.
The meerkat is attacking the other meerkat. Red panda. Red panda is so cute. Red panda, come back. No, he ran away. Crocodile. Do you guys see his face? He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh my god, he's got himself. There's a sun bear. Look at his little tongue. He looks like he's acting like a dog. He's so cute. No! There's a birdie right there. Oh my gosh, he looks so cute. Bye. Walking capybara. The capybara in front of me. No! She capybara. Oh my god. Capybara! Capybara! Come back! Capybara! The capybara don't like me. The monkey up there in Brazil. He's gonna start swinging Oh no, what is it doing? Oh, and there is a big massive hippo. The hippo is so big. Monkey is called. We are looking big here. And the Brazil is so weird and fast. Bye bye.